Hi guys. I was basically making some ramen, so sorry for the delay. And hold on, I got a ping again. Anyways, hi. Hi Cookies, hi on Freeway. Hi Lucas. But basically, I recorded 2 videos today. And hold on, because I have to move some stuff around on my desk. One is, as you can probably see from this title right here, for the occlusion culling. Someone was asking me yesterday about the update if I saw it. So you guys are going to get a little bit of the preview for the next videos. So what you're making today in the stream though. I'm going to say that later. I'm going to tell you later basically. Because I thought about making some kind of a game, but this is not going to be for the horror game, this is not going to be the devlog. But something I wanted to like have for the streams. Hi Insanely. And this ramen is good. But basically the preview for the occlusion culling, I'm just going to straight up show it. So if I go to a free cam, right, and just move my camera like this, we are not really going to see any changes with like the 3D models that are like, you know, right here behind the wall. Is occlusion culling fully out and in no, it's like only in studio, but some of the like selected games have it. Hey Blow, love your beats, thanks. I'm glad you enjoyed them, Kamal. Vloxicola, yeah. Hi Johnny. Damn, Johnny Cage is in the stream. Hi Crown, I'm doing good. We'll make a horror game, grid view, yeah. I'm going to make a horror game, but not on the stream. But basically, how the occlusion culling works is you don't see the assets right now, but they are right there. And the feature is basically a beta feature, so hold on. You'd have to go to the beta features and then enable occlusion culling from right here. But you don't see the assets that are right there, and that's because the engine is not rendering the geometry of assets that we, as the player, can't currently see. Which is a massive performance boost. And that's what I showed in my video. That's going to be out on Tuesday, I think? Yeah, Tuesday. And I'm going to show this example a little bit more in a minute. But right now I'm just going to try and finish the ramen. It's going to be about what I just shown. Oh, or the game. The game I thought about having like a community game with viewers. So I'm going to just start scripting random stuff for it rather. And just add like different ideas later, so they're just going to be like random stuff, but you guys are going to be able to join. Best Roblox Studio update, yeah, definitely one of the better ones. Dude, that's awesome, yeah. How do you do that? I basically just shown you how to enable the beta feature from right here and just go to the view then the wireframe rendering. But this only works in Studio right now. I'm also going to show the other thing that I made for another recorded for another video. And also I wanted to show this thing later too. But basically, the other thing I wanted, I made a video on, is the channel tabs and UI gradient in TextChat service. And this is a TextChat update. Wait, I have to expand this. Now let's see, for example, have like these tabs right here for different stuff, as well as like gradient colors to the usernames, and make NPCs talk, which is pretty nice. Hi Paul, are you going to test the games today? No, not really. I just wanted to do a dev stream. Ramen eating, yeah. Bro's making another dev stream after 60 years, thank god. I mean, it's only been like a week now. Or actually 2 weeks. Bon appetit, thanks. Paul, I love you, Paul. I love your videos, Paul. Please stream more, Paul. Thank you for teaching us, Paul. I love you, Paul. Thanks, Paul. Hey, no problem, love. Hold on, I need to get something. So be right back. Alright, I'm back. Do you test games today? No, I don't. Also, I didn't test games, I reviewed them. The biggest subscriber. Thanks. Also, if I go back to the post about this, about the chat update, right? They tell you like different stuff with the channel tabs and how to enable channel tabs, right? Saying that you have to go to the channel tabs configuration and then press on the enable property. But like, if I do that, and wait, it was the channel tabs configuration and enable them, right? They don't tell you in the dev forum post on how to like add them. They like tell you that you can enable them from a local script, and they have the how channel tabs work. Like you have different behaviors like the Roblox general for the general chat, for team chat, username of the players, and so on. You have customizing channel tabs. And you have like no more information about this. Like it goes to the UI gradient later. So I had to like figure this stuff out from the like documentation and so on. So I'm going to show this really quickly, since it's pretty simple to but like they should have added more information about this in the post. So let's just take a server script for example. And first we need to get the text chat service. And then we have to, since we don't really have this right now, but if I do a playtest, then go to the text chat service, we have a folder named text channels with the Roblox general and the Roblox system. So we have to make a reference to that folder by doing local text channels is equal to the text chat service, then with your child and the text channels. Paul, I'm back. Hi, Ibul. I'm doing good, just finished my ramen. I was also showing the occlusion culling update right here. And right now I'm showing the update with the text chat channels and how to create them, since Roblox doesn't give information on that in the dev forum post for some reason. Okay, if the person that's pinging me in Discord constantly is in the chat, then please stop, because I'm going to have to mute you. Like, someone is trying to like get me to hire them or like help with a server. But like, I said that I'm not interested and they keep pinging me. Anyways, now just to create a text chat channel, there is a text chat, or rather text channel instance that we need to add. And we do that by, hold on, text channel. Doing the instance and then new, and text channel. And we have to parent that text channel under the text channels folder. And also set the name of the text channel to display on top of the chat. So this one can be like whatever channel. Right, this is just going to create the channel. Like, it's right here in the text channels, and whatever channel is like missing something, right? Since you also have a instance which is a, what was it, the text source. And since we are missing that instance, we can see the chat as the player. And how we get that text source is by assigning a player manually to the text channel, which we can do by, for example, the player service. And for example, you can either like get selected players, but I'm just going to do player service then player added, so it's going to connect them automatically. And this gets the player, which is the player. And I can just do player, no, not player. It was a method from the text channel. And then it was add user async with the user ID of the player by player and user ID. So now I'm going to finally be able to actually see the whatever channel on top. Like, they couldn't add a method, and that's something that I talked about in my video too. They couldn't add a method in the text chat service that's going to be like create channel async and whatever. Right? Create channel async. That's going to like create the channel name and have like whatever variable that's going to be like, oh, this channel is available for everyone or not. And we could have different methods to whatever this method returns, to like add different players, remove different players from the text channel. Since it will be pretty simple, since like you have to create the channel manually, add the player manually too, to the method of a text channel instead of the text chat service, and instead of adding the player, you add the player and user ID. So that's only like my complaint about this update, that you have to do like everything inconveniently. Can you make a tutorial on how to make a 2D game with basic movement and collisions? I mean, I haven't really done a 2D game on Roblox, so I don't know. Hi Paul, how are you? I'm doing good, Larp, thanks for asking. And also adding a gradient to a player whenever they say something needs to be done through a local script, which was in the starter player scripts. And I can just copy the script from the dev forum, and I'm just immediately going to copy this by prefix. But basically you get the text chat service, right, and you have the chat window configuration. And something weird that you do is you get the derive new message properties at the top, and then if you have the text source, you set the prefix, the text, and you get the same method from the text chat window configuration again right here, to the prefix text properties instead of the properties themselves. And then you parent the clone gradient under the fiercely created properties. Like, I don't know why I have to do a lot of workarounds like this. But basically, if I do a playtest and say something, my character is going to have the VIP tag with a gradient. What's your thoughts on the Promise library? I've checked out Promise some time ago, like a few months ago. It's pretty good. I haven't really used it because I didn't really see a need for it in my code with how I structure it, but I probably should. Having the toolbox on the right should be illegal. Having the toolbox on the left should be illegal. Like, I'm used to this with like Godot and, you know, different game engines. What are you currently scripting? I'm just showing like the random updates that Roblox just added. First one was occlusion culling, and this one is the channel stub and gradient in text chat service. But yeah, we also have a message that's going to display above an NPC, which is simply just done by a few lines of code. So yeah, that's both of like the next upcoming videos in pretty much a nutshell. Also, don't speak Polish in chat because you are going to get banned. But anyways, too many things for me. I can only have it all on this side, otherwise I get confused. I mean, it's just a time of not time, a how do you call it? Thing that you need to get used to. What a diva? But yeah, another thing that I found, and this one is pretty huge, is a Wallistic Gravity Controller by Ego Moose. And I covered some of his work previously on my channel, but how this works is basically you are able to, yeah, as you can see from this preview, stick to, for example, a plane, and you also have a gravity controller, which is going to allow you to do basically this. Like, it makes the gravity relative to whatever surface you are currently walking on. And I also have a place on it right here. So this is probably going to be on the Thursday, or not Thursdays, Friday's video. But how it works is as simple as this. So yeah. And if I, for example, try to jump off of this part, it's going to like try magneting me into the nearest surface. It doesn't work perfectly because you can see my character like jittering and sometimes the movement is a bit clunky, but most of the time it's pretty great. So yeah, I'm also going to be showing this in my video too. Also, do you know what we haven't done, guys? I completely forgot about a guitar intro. And hold on, because I'm going to have to bring the whole amp setup because I unplugged everything today because I was cleaning. So give me a moment. And where did I leave my picks again? Okay, I have them now. Okay, I'm back. Can you make a system where they spawn a bad marble out of 10 good marbles, in which the bad marble is going to eventually explode, killing a player? I mean, yeah, it would be really simple though. I mean, to refer the game. What's going on in the stream? Right now I was overviewing like some of the updates from Roblox Studio. One of them is the text shot update, and another one was occlusion culling. I also showed a framework of you basically being able to walk on different surfaces. And right now I'm going to play some guitar, so why can I not minimize? Oh, now I can. Is everything... Hold on, it's not getting the... It's not getting the guitar audio. Hold on, is it gonna work now? I love software. Okay, it works now after restarting. Bro, I can use other guitar plugins. The other guitar plugins don't have the same audio, like the amp roots. Since I don't have a sound card, this is like the only plugin that's working with my guitar. Just keep in mind, don't speak Polish in the chat or you'll get banned. Yeah, you will. Working on GUIs isn't the same as everyone. Don't forget about real UI development with CSS. I mean, these are like two different fields. Like they are talking about the game engines, and you are talking about web development, like front end. I can hear the amp pull. I mean, this wasn't the amp. This was my strings from microphone. What genre is the music in the background? This was like random chill, I think ambience music from YouTube. So hold on. Is the volume alright? Hi Matt. No, Night Owl. I'm not doing like game commissions now. Yeah, it's alright, okay. I can definitely hear that the guitar is out of tune, but I don't have a tuner on me right now. Is there a way to make it so saved models won't spawn in front of the camera? What do you mean? I see your progress, sweet dreams, thanks. Yeah, like I said, it was like one of the few songs that I was playing, but I haven't played it for a very long time. Alright, so I mean like when can I send my game link when it opens on us, and I will like notify it on the server when you can send the game links. What you making? Basically like random stuff for like a community game. After I finish with the guitar, of course. My headphones cable is getting in the way, hold on. Okay, what are you guys saying now? When you get something from the toolbox, it appears close to you. Is it possible to this? I don't think it's possible to. I think you'd have to like move your camera a bit higher because it like positions whatever object you put from the toolbox like right in front of your camera on like the closest surface. What's your favorite breakfast? I don't really have a favorite breakfast. Probably cereal, maybe. I leave for a while and come back to bro shredding the guitar. Hey, welcome back, Egg. What's this? This was me playing the guitar. I'm also going to do some like scripting later. Tapping good, thanks. When will I be able to send games like Night Owl? Like I'm saying this every like stream. Whenever I open the channel and whenever I do the rating games stream again. Like tomorrow, I'm going to announce it on a stream. I only stream on the weekends, maybe on Friday sometime, but mainly on the weekends. Like you don't have to worry. I'm going to like do a ping in the server anyways later. And this time I'm going to try to play a song that I haven't played in a few weeks again. So anyways. Okay. I did not know you were at the guitar like that. I'm really impressed. I mean, I've been playing guitar for a few months only. Like, I know some techniques like tapping, since someone suggested on this stream. I know like tremolo, power chords, um, and chords too. Off topic, but what are your essential tips on how can I get traction by going live stream and using OBS? I mean, if you're a streamer that wants to get traction, like just streaming is not going to be like good enough from my experience. You can make like clips or have like funny moments from streams that you can post on, for example, TikTok or different social media like Reels and even Shorts. Since you just want to have a wide platform and nothing is going to be like immediate, you're not going to get like immediate, traction that's going to be like huge or blow your channel up, since that's really like hard to do. But also if you're a streamer, there is like this really important thing that whenever someone is not going to watch your stream, for example when you are going to be offline and they enjoy your content, you should have some like backlog of videos, for example on like YouTube or somewhere else where they can go to, where the person basically can go to and still, watch and enjoy your content when you are not live. Because I told you about tapping, yeah, you did. I should probably learn like new songs to play on a guitar, but hold on, I'm actually just going to put it away now. Something just fell off of my desk. Don't worry guys, it's nothing, it was just my headphones. Okay, so that's for the guitar intro. And maybe I should actually get to scripting after 40 minutes, oh my god. Off topic, I sounded a bit Spanish to me, Aria? No, I'm Polish. And did you know palm muting? Oh yeah, palm muting too, yeah. Like I was playing, how do you call it? Power chords when I was like learning palm muting because it sounded like really good for metal. Please don't speak Polish in chat because we are going to get banned, just a reminder. Anyway, so I'm going to make a new place now. And something broke because my... Hold on, I'm just going to reset this. Since I think okay, it's fine now. This studio had a hiccup. This one is just going to be called the game for now. You're Polish, wow. Yeah, I have so many comments on my TikTok. Also, I was like trying to work on my accent, but it's like kind of hard for me because I have like flat speech. But basically I'm going to try again, and this time on a bigger scale, and basically I'm going to see if it works this time. But I had so many comments on my TikTok about people being like, oh, he's Polish, and then just writing whatever in Polish, or like saying my name in Polish, and like, it's so unnecessary. Someone even said like, no offense, and this is not about Polish, but this is something else. Like someone said, no offense, but there is a lot of Indian YouTube, Indian people on Roblox YouTube. And I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. But yeah, people on TikTok are like so, I don't know, they have this impulse whenever they see like a Polish person, they're like, oh my god, he's Polish, look at him. I even had people insulting me for like recording in English. Someone was saying that I'm pretending to be American, and like, that just sounds so stupid. I would like to see how you interpret a marble system concept and how you do it. I mean, maybe I'm going to do it, but I don't really know. So I thought about a game concept overall, and like I said, this would be a game where I as a creator can make and play with you guys, my viewers. And also, I'm going to show you something else. Since previously, I don't know how many of you remember, but when I was starting off my YouTube channel, I was actually making people's ideas, and that's when I was migrating my content from like TikTok, because I started on TikTok, to YouTube. Wait, I think it was archived. Yeah, Pulse Community Comment Place. This was a place that I was making with ideas from people. Now I'm just surprised because I'm Polish too. Yeah, like YouTube's algorithm recommends my videos to Polish people because of my, location, basically. What are the plans for it right now? I can provide funny ideas for it. That was my main concept, and something that I wanted to get into right now is that I'm just going to make whatever with ideas from like my stream, but it's going to have to make a proper game, be a proper game rather. Holy, there is like so much stuff I don't remember. Instead of like ideas for like displays. But what do I even have in here? I have like... Oh my god, so loud. Okay, I have different tools, and this was done, oh my god, old Fumo. And this was done like... Oh, and this is a blanket that changes the time. Like over a year ago. I think this was around May, or maybe March 2023. Okay. Hold on, let me just make the time day again. But yeah, there is like a lot of different stuff from people's ideas. Basically like this pet duck, these cars right here, whatever this duck is. Oh. Anyways. Oh yeah, someone gave an idea that if you jump, you are going to explode. And apparently I can't even get into a car. Anyways. And there is a lot of errors. What was this duck? He's just looking at me. Oh. Okay, I remember now. So yeah, this is like a lot of basically stupid ideas. I think I remember this one, and this one was one of the first ones. This is a chair that duplicates whenever you get on it. So this is a lag machine. So yeah. Make a script that flings you when you press a key. Yeah, it would be something like this. Like, I would make a system... Yeah, a knife that throws pencils. I would make a system that, like, I'm going to have control over. So for example, I'm going to be able to fling like random people in the game. And yeah, these are some fishes. With a smart bone, I think. Can you show the best thing you made scripted in Roblox Studio? I mean, not really, because it's kind of a secret. Hi Cryptic. I have an idea, a simple code with the most overcomplicated code ever. My PB is currently at 32 lines. Break. Oh. Anyways. I don't really have an idea on what it would be. What is this bomb? Oh. But yeah, it would be something like this where I'm going to add like random stuff, but you know, not really like random stuff, something more for like a game. Yeah, rain. It's not even. Oh. Oh yeah, an epic duck rain. And there is a rig. Yeah, I remember something that like was with a tree, but oh yeah, that's what that that's what's up with the tree. All right, I can jump. Anyways, so yeah, it would be like sort of that thing that I'm going to like get ideas from the stream. But something that I thought that I'm going to definitely need in this game is going to be a way of actually killing the players. And sorry guys, but yeah. I thought about making like a tool that's going to have different kill effects maybe. What do you think of rating viewers free models? That could be a good idea too. Test, hi Mars. And how would I make that tool is I can either have a system that's going to like take players from a given list, or maybe can I even I don't really know how to script a tool that's going to allow me to like just click on a player with my mouse. So hold on. Maybe I should actually do that. This is going to be a kill tool, and I will also need a local script. Like getting the mouse in the 3D world is done by user input service. Or was it wait? Wait, I can just do local mouse. And then mouse position would be, hold on. Thank you for gifting one membership, OSM. That's really nice of you. There is so many message retrace. Hold on. Petition to do tell us ideas. Yeah, don't spam like singular symbols in the chat too, please. Okay, and can I can see who you gifted the membership to. Oh wait. Ghost BM was gifted a membership by OSNCB. Okay, that's nice. I meant to say invisible container. Oh wait, like I said, Palmerson container members will fall down, eventually explode and kill a player. We'll see. Alright, Ghost, you should thank OSM for the gifted membership. I don't know if it's going to give to players that, not players, the viewers that are in the chat right now, but I think it should. Just mouse that X, mouse that Y, okay. Would be mouse then. Wait. Describe the X horizontal component of mouse. Okay. Wait, this is on the screen. I mean the 3D world. In the 3D view. I have an idea button that whenever you click it, show snowfalls and it starts. Wait, sticks to the base plate. Maybe. this is for type checking. This is saying that the function is not returning anything. If this said like something like a number, I would probably hold on. I would say that this returns a number like this, which I would need to make a variable number, which is a number. Where if I do a strict mode, this is going to say that number is going to be nil. So I would need to give it a number. If I'm going to say that this function doesn't return anything, and then returning a number, hold on. It's going to say it right here, which is going to be the function only returns 0 values, but 1 is required here from this number right there. So this is only for type checking. And we are not even an hour in and my throat is already dying. Oh yeah, maybe mouse hit position, yeah. Yeah, the 3D point of the C-frame. So if I were to click... Wait, it's not doing anything. Does it need to have a handle? Oh, I should also name this one handle. Yeah, it does need to have a handle. So how do I get a player from this basically? Oh yeah, it requires handle off too, yeah. I haven't used tools in a while. I'm probably just going to make it into like a user interface instead of a tool. But hold on, I'm actually just going to maybe Google something. You do mouse.target. Target fee. What is this? Wait. Target filter. Okay. Target. Mouse.target. Target. The object in 3D space the mouse is pointing to. Okay. So I don't actually need to get the position. Yeah, the object in 3D space the mouse is pointing to. Do you use spaces in models' names? Not really. So then I need to do if not target. So this should technically print out the base plate, right? Spawn location, base plate, yeah, okay. So if not target or not target that parent. I need to check if this is a how do we call it, a descendant of the player service, but I need to check if it's going to select the whole model or the base part. And it's not even printing out anything. I probably just messed something up with, hold on. If not target or not target that parent. Oh, I didn't even, well, who got it? Who got what? Okay, it gets the character, alright. Wait, handle? Oh yeah, it's picking up the accessory, okay. So here I'm going to do player model, which is going to be target.parent. There is someone yelling outside of my door, bro. Didn't Mike catch that? I think they were like passing by, but like holy shit, they were so loud. Okay, anyways. Which other is he making? I'm making like a way for me to kill players right now. Maybe you should specify if the target doesn't have a humanoid, isn't a character. Yeah, that's what I want. Like, the easiest way would be to basically check if this is actually a player. So this is why I got the player model. And we don't need to check for the player model because we have the parent right here. So I can do if player service, then get model from, not get model, get player from character, player model. Then I'm just going to print out the player model. Your best, thank you. Hold on, I'm going to move this one out since this is covering my chat. Yeah, it's saying player 1. Property animator evaluation throttle is currently enabled. What? What is this error? Anyways. Hi, Hagver. I got gifted a membership, yeah, you did. OSMCB gave it, gifted it to you. Yeah, Doc. Okay, so we get the model and I will probably need to validate the system with a folder, then a remote event. And then I need to get a script inside of the server script service. And this one I'm just going to put into a folder named main, which is going to hold main scripts. And this one is going to be the script that's going to manage the kill tool. It's refreshing seeing someone else scripting style. Mine is pretty bland. I mean, you can learn something from mine. I don't think it's like the best for everyone, but overall, like, you shouldn't copy it to like one-to-one, but see what's going to work for you. But again, I'm going to need a reference to the... I'm going to need the player service too, okay. And here I'm going to make a folder with modules. Which is going to have a kill tool whitelist. And this is just going to be a table of user IDs of people that are going to be able to use this tool. And here I'm going to make a local function on kill tool. What the heck? Which is going to get the player, which is a player, as well as the probably other player model. Maybe I should do other player. So wait. So it's going to be easier to basically manage it in this function. So player and the player to kill, which is also a player. So first I'm going to do if player that use, no, not, wait. First I need to actually require the whitelist. And I need also the server script service. Okay, so now I can do if table.find haystack is going to be the table, so whitelist and then the player dot user ID. Then I want to first just print out the player and has used the kill tool. And now I need the event, and also since this is a server script, I don't have to use wait for child for already existing instances that were not made at runtime. So KT even on server event, connect on kill tool. Slide my Discord role. Yeah, it's going to be updated in a minute, I think. I think it updates every like few minutes. Hold on, I need the server preview. Okay. Wait. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working. I type everything in lower cases. Oh my god, why does it keep full screening on my other monitor? Okay, it says even fired, but... Oh, okay, I see why. That's because I don't have the right user ID, since I have the user ID of player 1, which is going to be 0, and player 2, which is going to be 1, since this is a local playtest, okay. Hold on. I type in everything in lowercase and use underscore for spaces, that's what I mean by blunt. I usually use underscore in front too, like this, for different stuff. Like I have, for example, a lot of variable names that have the same names as functions, just so I don't get basically confused. Oh yeah, -1 ID and player 2 has oh, it's not 0 and 1, okay. -1 and -2, okay. Tell us how to make hacks. Okay, so what you do, you go to apps and features, you search for Roblox, you select Roblox and you press on uninstall. That's how you make hacks. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Player 1 has used the kill tool and player 2 has used the kill tool, okay. So now this user would also need a selected kill effect, which is going to be from a list, which is going to be, for example, in replicated storage, since the list is also going to be required by the server. And this is just going to be a list, so... Wait, is it? Do I need any metadata? Real, thanks for the users cause mayhem. Alright. I'm making a way of killing players in my game. Also, please only speak English in chat. How do I want to do this? Since the list is also going to be on the server, but I don't want to make two separate module scripts. The server is going to like run all of the functions, but the client should have access to only the list itself. So I should probably just do this again. And just send the selected list index. So this one is just going to be explode. And I'm going to have to require this one. Wait, this is going to be the kill tool script. I want to make a special forces tool. Can I animate for your game you're working on? No, I'm working solo. A suggestion in the print statement to player has equipped the moderate. I mean, yeah, I just say print statement for basically quick debug. Where they go on a building and use rappels on the building. Then I break a window and go in. I wouldn't really know how to do that myself. Hello, I am YouTube display name. Hi programmer. Why make a module for the whitelist? Wouldn't it have the same effect if you did within the server script? Yeah, it would, but sometimes when I'm working on a script, this one is going to have probably a lot more code. It's also going to be more simple to just go to the mods than the whitelist and change it from immediately here, instead of having a whitelist, which is going to be like this with all of the different values and whatever, with also having like many more functions. When I'm trying to do something like, in for example this function, I would have to scroll all the way up, find the whitelist variable, and just do, you know, changes there. And with having a module, I can just go to the, you know, whitelist on the top and add it here, then go back, and that's all. What is function click? Okay, this means, wait, on click. This means that the function is not supposed to return anything. This is for type checking, this is not really needed. It's going to work normally, but I just do this for returning, or telling myself that this is going to return, for example, a number, which would basically be the same as this. Okay, maybe just return like 1, 2, 3. Where this is indicating that the function is returning a number. If this was a string, I would see that, okay, the number shouldn't be here. Maybe there should be a string that the function is going to return. But this means that the function is not going to return anything. Okay, but let me get the effect module. So I have the events, and then I need the I'm just going to move this one actually here. Then the effect module is going to be require local mods, and then the module script, which should be renamed to effect mod. And right now I'm just going to do effect mod from 0 and just pass it as the effect index argument. So here I'm going to do local then get the effect index, which is going to be a number, and then do local effect is going to be effect mod from effect index, and just do if not effect then return end. Otherwise I'm just going to print out the effect, which should be explode. I guess I'm doing this to making my life easier then. Yeah, maybe. Stop putting this Roblox Studio window on my second monitor in full screen, bro. Why don't you use external code editors? Since I'm making everything like Roblox Studio, and I usually just do them in like... I usually just use them in Godot. Why is it... This is not working now, bro. Anyways, I don't really see a point since in Roblox Studio, I mean, since this has a built-in editor, and I would just have to alt tab all the time and do many other different things like building the project, but in Roblox Studio just do a playtest. Oops. In Roblox, so like I said, you just do a playtest. And it's going to already like update all of these scripts manually. Manually? Automatically, I mean. This is life, there is always a problem, yeah. Then what would it return if... Yeah, it would return nothing in the parentheses. Alright, thank you, no problem. Did I say that making a remastered version of my Souls-like game? No, you didn't say that. Oh, my throat. I'm dying again. But yeah, that project, like I said yesterday, it was pretty nice. So it's nice so it's also nice that they are making a remaster. I could start trying to make my code easier to understand, but who is gonna read it anyway? I'm a solo dev. Yeah, if you're a solo dev, then you should make everything that works for you, basically. I think the first thing I need to do for my system is to make a rope attachment, maybe. Yeah, probably. I made dev, hold on. I made dev team made of 0 devs. Prevent effect found effect, yeah. Another, how do you call it? Another print debugging. And I'm going to grab some water again. Okay. Explode local, okay. Nil server. Okay, I think it's having trouble like clicking on the player maybe. Okay, it has the effect on the client. We have effect mod from 0. It should be explode. I'm making a ability to basically like kill people whenever I press on them. Hi, what's your PC specs? My GPU is a 3060 Tough Gaming Asus. Hold on, my CPU is Intel i5 11400K, and I have like 32 gigabytes of DDR4, I think 3.2K refresh rate RAM, and like a 2 terabyte SSD. Does anyone have to help me with scripting? I'm new to it. You should look on tutorials on the internet. Um, Please speak English in chat. Thank you. Your sponsors are YouTube Studios. Your sponsors are no. I don't think this is actually YouTube Studios. And I don't think YouTube Studios would write to my live chat in Spanish. But anyways, these are my PC specs. Hold on, I have the player to kill, and the effect index. And I'm just going to also print out the effect module just to test. And why is this on my screen anyways? Oh my, I think it started like... Yeah, hold on. Okay, it should be good now. Oh, it only has... Oh my god, no, I need to do another cleanup. I closed the wrong window anyways. My PC old... my old PC is 10 years old. I feel that. My previous one was like a scrap metal too. How did you change your text color? I think it was like a setting in Studio, but hold on. Why do I have to press so low for this to work? Okay. I have Neil. Oh, I see what I'm sending. Oh, this was supposed. Hold on, yeah. I'm sending, instead of sending 0, I'm sending explode. This was supposed to be 0, like this. So I'm sending the wrong thing, okay. But changing my color was a studio settings in the script editor, was it? Yeah, in here, under the theme. Making yet another pointless showcase while I listen to your stream in the background. Who needs love you when you have Paul? Thanks. That's awesome, and good luck on the work. What script are you making? I'm making a system for killing players whenever I press on them. Do you use new beta features for building or using old version? I have the new one with like the... How do you call it? The... Hello? Okay, moving with increments and, you know, the grid and other stuff. Wait, so this is going to send explode. Okay, I think I did it kind of wrong since... Right now I have to loop through all of the effects on the server. So maybe I should just do this. This should be from... Or actually just sending the explode. table find, then the effect mode and the effect name, which is a string. Scripting while watching someone else script, yeah. That's what I did on like with freestyle streams. Okay, explode lock. Why is it only local now? Oh no, wait. Okay, printed out one, alright. If you don't know who Tristo is, like he's another Roblox YouTuber, Roblox developer, or a Roblox streamer that you should also subscribe to. Since he's making like pretty nice streams, and I usually have them playing in the background while I do other work too. Bro, that's good to learn scripting. Yeah. What do you think makes a horror game scary? Like, what do you get instantly scared of? I talked about that in my first or my second stream. I think it was my first one. You basically just making a horror game scary is not as simple as just put a, you know, scary monster in it. It's like different pillars that the game has with a foundation, and these pillars can be like these different points. And I go more into detail in that stream, but I don't exactly know when, you know, the timestamp is. Data stores hurt my brain, yeah. I'm making a custom character controller, but the falling keeps fighting the flinging the player, and I know how to fix it. I don't really know either because I can see the, you know, script in front of me. If Katie even, then Katie even serving. I mean, there is no really a point since the like event is going to be here since I created it, you know, not at runtime. You can use if effect indices or one or if more than effect mode than print effect out of range. I mean, that's not what I'm like doing right now. Right now I have the effect index. And if I wanted to refer to the basic effect from a list, like I said, I shouldn't do this in like, not shouldn't, I didn't want to do this in like 2 modules, but I'm probably going to. This is only to validate that the effect that the player sent is going to exist from this list and from that other module, since this is only, like I said, a validator process. To see if this, you know, person that fired the event isn't saying like something like whatever killing effect that, you know, they don't even have access to, or maybe doesn't even exist, you know, to basically check if my brain just hurts right now. Hold on, to basically check if the effect basically exists or is the right one that the player should be sending. I would like to know why player. This is for type checking. You're telling this function that the player argument is the player type, the player to kill is also a player, and the effect name is a string. Okay, but I'm going to make a module. This one is going to be kill effects. And this one is going to be kind of different. And this one is going to get the replicated storage. And maybe I should also do... Hold on. This. And instead of actually having to require the effect index, not effect index, the effect module from the replicated storage, I'm going to make this script get the list and then make appropriate functions inside of itself. So first is going to be a local function setup, and this is not going to be a module function. Here I'm just going to get the effect list, which is required then the replicated storage, local mods, then the effect mod. And then for index, then the effect in pairs, effect list do. And I'm going to probably just do like some different setup stuff. But right now I also want to do a local function, not function, local table called effect functions. And let me just think. I should probably do this in this way. And I'm probably going to make a... Hold on. So I don't need to require this effect module. This is going to be script that kill effects. I still don't understand what do you want to do. Right now I'm on the validating process, basically, seeing if the data that the player sent is going to be a proper existing data that has a list of these effects. I don't really need to do explode, so hold on. Just in case that the player sends something, for example, like, you know, like I just said, ASD, whatever, but the effect is not going to be existing in this list. What do you get scared of easily? I would say woman. Just kidding. Fear of the unknown. Yeah, something like that. Probably with either the cosmos or the deeps. It's hard to know how the scripters think like you. It's hard to have. No, don't worry, I understand. Game clear on children, yeah. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm thinking of two different things now. Effect function from the index, okay. And then I'm going to return the table. When woman is great, wait, what the heck? When woman is great, I got the woman as my enemy in my horror game XD, bro. Game that parents destroy. Game that system 32 destroy maybe. So I can do key E that effect tab is equal to the setup. And then I can do if effect mod that effect tab from the send effect name. Then I'm going to print out the effect. This is going to be the effect function, wait. Okay, let's see this now. And it's printing out a function meaning that this is working, okay. So I overly complicated this at first, but I was being just stupid, okay. Okay, so, oops. Right now I just want to do effect function and then pass it the player to kill argument. We're now under the kill effects. This is going to expect the player argument. And then I can, for example, just do local humanoid. No, actually local character. Then just do local. And I'm going to move all of this later into a different method, so this basically doesn't get repeated all the time in every function. Then just do humanoid take damage on 100 and explosion. And then I also need a humanoid root part. And this can actually be done later since this is only an effect. If not... And explosion that parent is going to be equal to the human root part. And did the explosion instance have anything else? Okay, blast pressure, blast radius, and visible, okay. So technically this should be working, right? If it works, yeah. And it actually did work. I don't know why the explosion is in like the base part, but hold on. No, it's actually in the human root part, okay. Okay, so we got first thing basically done. But it's like kind of hard to press on the player. Oh, position the explosion. That's what I forgot about. Explosion that position is equal to the humanoid root part that position. What do you want the character to take infinite damage in case they're over 100? Yeah, I do, but this was just for a... Yeah, okay, it's working now. This was just to see if this is going to work. Okay, I can press on myself, which is pretty nice. But yeah. Like I said, I'm probably going to change this later for an UI and probably just figure out a better way of... how do you call it? Like pressing on the player, maybe. So this would be math that huge without the parentheses, right? And I'm out of water again, so be right back. Okay. Funny tool, unlike a beam of direction, like green equals colliding, use attachments, I don't know. I mean, I'm going to think of different ones later. Right now, hold on. So that's the effect function. That we have right here. I also need to get local function validate character. And this one is just going to return the humanoid, okay. And maybe the humanoid root part too. Wait, how did I... Was it like this? Whoops. Yeah, it was like this, okay. Return humanoid, then the humanoid root part. Or, hold on. Actually, skip this step, since I'm not going to need the humanoid root part for every single instance. Return the character, then the humanoid, like this. And okay. And this is only so basically I'm going to skip like 5 different lines of code on every function. Is it bad that I add a little details wait, is it bad that details can be easily missed due to how quickly the events play? I I mean, I don't know what you mean in, you know, by the little details and what events. I like your accent, thanks, it's Polish. For real, if I wait, for real, if I hear this, I know he's a programmer. A software engineer's accent. Local char hum error, I mean. Wait. I'm returning a humanoid model, a character, and a humanoid. No, I'm supposed to return a humanoid and the character. So now it should be fine, okay. And for example, I can make something new, which is going to be a function. Actually, I'm just going to copy this, place it here. One. And this time, instead of the explosion, this one is going to be... Maybe like shrink. So I'm going to need a local twin. And I'm going to do something that... Wait. I don't even know if I can do, which is to play a twin on the character scale. How do you call it? Character scale property. Why do you hate Poland? Because I'm Polish. I'm calling a way of basically just killing people. Right now, the only thing I have is an explosion whenever I press on a person. By that I mean I'm making a phantom revolver and I made the trigger move, the cylinder rotate and the bolt go backwards. It's gonna play so quickly you won't be able to see it. I mean, it depends. Some people just pay attention to that and some others don't. But if it's like something minor that has like no, it doesn't like, you know, take the player out of the immersion, it's just like a little whatever, then it's fine to add it. Yeah, so that's one thing we can do in the plays right now. And the other thing I'm doing right now is also shrinking the player. Give him a... wait. So I would add 0 at the function and stuff I'm looking to improve. Wait, so what would I 0 index to the functions and stuff I'm looking to improve? Because this is a table. The index 0 is a function for an item from this list, which is the explode. Now index 1 is for the shrink. So I would need to do a for loop for... wait, index... then the... character part impairs character get children do. And oh, hold on. And then I want to do a task spawn function, which is going to create a twin. Which firstly I'm going to make a shrink info, which is a twin info.new, for example on 3 seconds. Easing style then linear and easing direction in. Wait, scale twin then twin service then create for the character. then shrink info, and a model has a property called scale. I really don't know if this is going to even work. But I'm going to try. And maybe I should change the local script as well, but I forgot. This is explode, and I'm going to need a shrink. I like how these body parts explode anyway. Yeah, give me a wait, I already read that. Okay, we fixed it, never mind. Oh, I didn't notice. Fake, no problem. Hey Ishii, this guy is amazing. Wait, collisions off, and brake motor 6D. I'm going to first see the scale. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. Yeah, it's not a data that can be twinned. Anchor is not a valid member of humanoid. Oh, that's because I didn't check the hold on. If I didn't check this. Hi Martin. I'm scripting a way of killing people current. I think it's going to scale the whole character rather than each bits of the character. I want to scale the whole character. Your videos are pretty cool and interesting. Thanks, Martin. You might need to make the motor or 10 characters collision off. Yeah, it doesn't work anyway. So I'm going to have to play a twin on each body part, I think. So in that case, then this is going to be a vector 3, right? The size. Yeah. Vector 3.0. You can use the humanoid scales. Oh, can I? Hold on. Can't you just shrink the model? Yeah, that's what I tried. I mean, yeah, this is working. Why does it look so stupid? Hold on. Yeah. Is there a way to like do this? Maybe I need to like not anchor these parts, but yeah, this is pretty funny anyways. Like I want to scale the whole character, but towards the torso, but hold on. You said that I have a humanoid scale, right? For part impairs character children, yeah, that's what I did. How do you use the humanoid scales? They are children of humanoid, okay. Oh, these ones. So are they going to work like... Can I change them? Wait, hold on, there is the description. and the animator. Can I like change them at runtime? Or do I need to use like another function? Make twinning to center. Yeah, that's what I was thinking about, but I'm just thinking about a way of doing that. Can you scale models by using scale? Wait, scale 2. So hold on. Like, I'm trying to do this with a twin though. You can twin the parts to center. Do I need to make another twin for the position? You have to apply it on the server. Okay, hold on. Okay, I see. Okay, so this might be what I'm actually looking for. So I'm going to need to remove this one and then just do the task spawn, index, then the, hold on. The humanoid get children. And then if hum scale is a, was it a number value? Hold on. I need to actually check again. This is a number value, yeah. And the humanoid scale, and then the value to be 0, right? Then I can also move this one right here. Just twin the torso position. I would have to twin like, oops, I meant to do a playtest with few people. I would have to twin the position of every other part. I'm going to watch someone else now. Bye guys, have an amazing day. You too, Hug, and thanks for coming. Oh, hold on. He's doing the same thing, but... That might be because I'm anchoring it. Oh my god, again. Here. Okay, yeah. What the heck? Yeah, it's working properly now, okay. I don't know why the player is doing that. Okay, I'll probably have to make a ragdoll script for this one, right? Why is this so stupid? New. Hold on. I want to see what's going to happen if I do this on myself. Oh. There I go. New. Unfortunately, I can't win the model scale by using scale to... Yeah. Wait, hold on. Use a for loop to scale to... I mean, this would scale it instantly. I just want to have this like twinning effect though. Does it show in the other's client? Yeah, that's so random. Do you have any success games in Roblox? I think I can call my SCP Descent a success game. Hold on. Because it has 336,000 plays. But this is an old project that was kind of discontinued. But it has, yeah, 356,000 plays here. Zahando, someone is a JoJo fan. If Bagota do something, hey, no problem. I script to just curious, where did you learn scripting? Mostly in school, also from like courses, learning books, and video tutorials, and overall like tutorials on YouTube. Okay, let me maybe open my ragdoll place. Experiences. Ragdoll. Okay, let's just test it now, maybe. You could set the walk speed and jump height to 0, then kill the player after the twin so it doesn't become a rocket. I mean, the rocket effect is kind of funny though. Okay, the ragdoll doesn't seem to be working though. But at least it's like not flying anymore. Okay, I might actually just leave it at this since this just seems really funny though. Yeah, at least the other client is like seeing this also. Nyum. You can get the scale by get scale and use a for loop to decrease the scale gradually. Wait, can I? Roblox get scale documentation. Model get scale. On instance. It returns an instance, though, a table with all the player objects that this model object is present for. No, that's the wrong one, hold on. Model persistent factor which starts of 1. Guess cage just returns a number though. I learned from a book of JavaScript and I learned Lua. Yeah, that's a way to learn programming, like I said, books. How much Robux you earned from SCP game? Like, overall I don't even know. I have, hold on. I have like 9,000 right now. I've spent some of them, but all of this has been basically been from the premium payouts from SCP Descent. Needs break joints on dev enabled. Okay. So I need to do that in the server script, right? Wait, was it not a humanoid? Oh, it was a humanoid. Okay. Yeah, it might be because of the motor 6Ds. Let me actually just check. Here. Change the item name to Instant Regret. Do you make a great money from your Roblox game? No, I don't. It returns a number because the model escape properties as a number value. What's your favorite Roblox game? Favorite right now, I wouldn't really say. Okay, no, it doesn't work. I mean, this is still a cool effect though. Just the player shrinking like this. Yeah. And it was close enough to what I wanted to achieve, but yeah. My most played game on Roblox is probably going to be MM2. My favorite horror game is going to be Light Bulb oh my god. Light Bulb Illumination. Like overall favorite, I don't really know. Probably an old game called Arachnids vs Mankind, which I have, whoops, favorited on my profile somewhere. So this is like a really old game. Right here. This was probably my like most favorite game in Roblox. But this was not updated since, yeah, 12 years. Fine, because I earned 140k Robux from my Undertale game that has 100k visits. That's interesting. I mean, I didn't have any like developer products except like donations. Why do you try to make a simple game and fun at the same time? I mean, I just kind of make games. Make it fast, I recommend you to add a number value inside the tool that consists the shrink speed or any effect speed. I can just have them as variables in this module maybe. Or add like another module that's going to be like settings. Okay, so maybe like let's make it 2 seconds and maybe make it cubic. And let me just see the effect right now. Maybe the only thing I will need to anchor is going to be the humanoid root part though. Yeah, that one is good. So I'm going to have this enabled and just do else. Wait, no. If charpart.name Do you think that you can get success from your Roblox game if you have expertise in scripting? I mean, maybe, but it's heavily like lag dependent and... Okay, yeah, this one is pretty much perfect now. Heavily lag dependent and... how do you call it? Like, people need to know who you are on the platform too. Why didn't the player take infinite damage? Anyways. Can I try maybe like back? Is this one going to be good? But yeah, going back to the question, you can make a successful Roblox game if, like I said, you have luck, or if you really know what you are doing. Okay, yeah, this is this is nice. Whoop. So you have an explosion and a shrink. What is the wait? Oh yeah, the player is right there because after the twin. I should probably like delete the parts too. Wait, this is just waiting for the if and this is not connecting. What am I thinking? Actually, no, wait. Um. So like the time it takes for the player to like hide the body should be around the same time as the twin of the shrinking. Try elastic style. Okay, yeah. In a moment. Whoop. Okay, now 3 seconds is going to be good for now. Try sending the help to 0 instead of making them take damage. Yeah, I'm going to if the issue is going to continue. I love your filter effect video. It was very good. Hey, thank you. And glad you enjoyed it. New. What? What the heck? It's like a whoop, whoop. You should also animate the character's transparency as he decreases in size. Maybe. I would have to make another twin this loop though. Wait, and this is getting a bit like code salad. So this is the twin. Well, not twin. This is. And this one is going to be a twin size loop. Okay. I love the premium games, but I see more people with a lot of experience offering their service instead of creating their own games. This makes me feel a bit frustrated. They do that because making games is hard. Like right now I'm making a system which I can do. I got it done in a relatively short time. Like the stream has been out for like it has been on for like 2 hours. So I made all of this in like an hour and something. Oh my god, my throat. An hour and something. So it's going to be the same for like these other people that are like talented and they make different systems too. And not everyone really wants to make a game because like on Roblox you have a community, you have a lot of different people that are like expecting updates, they want more from the game and so on, and it's just a lot of hassle. Having fun making few anti-cheats is nice. I love a troll. I love to troll exploiter by changing remote events name and letting the other remote remote banning them. You have different cheats that bypass that. They just, instead of looking for a remote event name, they just have like a reference to that instance that ran before the name change script or whatever. Or like the, not script, the thread. But like it's rare in the, you know, like more often you are not going to have that kind of an exploit in your game anyways, let's just say. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to change this one to circular. Follows a circular arc such as an acceleration is more sudden and acceleration more gradual versus quint and exponential. Was circular always here? I don't remember this one. Noom. Okay, yeah, that's good. Noom. So yeah, we basically have a... And hold on, I think I can disable the script too, right? Oops. But I'm probably going to keep a ragdoll in. Yeah, okay, I can. Actually, wait. I'm going to enable this one and just see how the explosion is going to work with the ragdoll. Exponential is fast, circular I don't know, but looks new, yeah. I mean, circular was... Hello? It's not exploding. Oh, explode, okay. I'm probably just going to keep it at the one that was like making the player bigger at the start and then just shrinking it later. Okay, this is kind of drastic. But it's really nice how all of the accessories basically like follow for your character like this. Death. And if I were to explode myself, it would look like this. So I wanted to see something from the ragdoll on the said ragdoll. Wait, no. Actually, never mind. Okay, I'm probably just going to end the stream now. But we basically just designed the system to kill players with a tool. And we made the explosion and the shrink effect. But now... Okay, kill effects. Which one was it? Wait, not was it elastic or was it? It was back, right? I was going to check the last thing. Well, we are still live, yeah. Was available, exploiters found out kicking a player in a several script called a function in the client, and if the exploiter returns I need the function, then it won't get kicked. Yeah, this one. I'm going to leave this one in. Yeah, like you shouldn't really send call kicks from a client if they're like validated, and you shouldn't kick people locally either. That's so cool, thanks. Brody character is with spasm even if he dies, yeah. The director is a little rigid. Yeah, I will continue working on this. Yeah, the player just died again. I mean, didn't really die, so I'm going to basically like, yeah, just change the health to 0. I will continue working on this since this is going to be a little project for streams, like I said. Please make sure that this live stream is rewatchable after time. I mean, it's going to be voted on the channel like every single other one of my live streams. Actually, you have to 0 makes he disappear. Yeah, that's what I'm going to just fix right now. Would be good if there was like a function to like do humanoid then die. Actually, I change it to -1. A humanoid state? What about it? Num. But this is only working whenever I'm pressing on like the legs of the character. I don't know if you can hear my mouse. Wait. I'm pressing on... Okay, it worked on the character now, but previously it wasn't. Okay, it seems to be working fine now. Okay, never mind. It apparently just fixed. Never mind, it just didn't. Yeah, this is me pressing my mouse. Anyways. So I basically just have a pretty neat little system. Best way to kill a fidelity player instancing players. I think they have workarounds for that too. Changing makes he... Wait, okay. I think he meant humanoid died. I wanted to have a function that would be like, just kill the humanoid, you know, don't change the health, don't take the damage, just kill it, like, that's all. You could also use humanoid set that enable any humanoid state type that... Oh. Okay, I'll do that probably later. But for now, it's going to be everything for the stream. The next stream is going to be next weekend. I'm going to... Never mind. Also, before I end this, I was going through the mod application, guys. Right? And something that I need to say right now is... Some of you guys are trolls. Like, Paul 1, someone put my Discord username in an application. Right? And let me just zoom this one in. So they put my Discord username in the application. And This is a like troll application, like earning what's your age for 20 again, and just like random answers, right? And do you have any experience moderating a Discord server? No. And like, bro, like, if you're uncertain on what to do in a situation regarding a user, right? What will you do? Nothing. Please just don't send these applications. Like, a fellow moderator didn't take action against a user who's been breaking server rules. What will you do? Kiss them on the mouth. Like, I have to prepare all of these, right? And I have to go through... Right now we have 6 applications. I have to read through every single one of these questions. And then I have stuff like this. Kiss them on the mouth, like, come on. Or this one, docs. Or another application. Don't remember which one this was. Was it the second one? Yeah, this one. Wait, this one, yeah. What are you interested in becoming a moderator? I love moderating servers, that's all, and then they just up whatever because it's 100 characters. And what are moderators' tasks and responsibilities? Moderating. What are these NPC ask questions, bro? Bzz. Like, what do you mean, what are these NPC ask questions? Like, you are saying moderating. I love moderating servers, that's all. Like, this person gave NPC dialogue answers, and they are asking what are, you know, those NPC ask questions. But anyways, the rest of them were pretty good, but like the first ones, I would rather just not comment. Yeah. That's a way to end this stream. Have a great night, Paul. Thank you. You too, chicken. What is that? That's what I'm asking, like... Bro. But yeah, have a nice night, guys. And thank you for watching, and see ya. Bye.